This video tutorial I will cover at qualifier annotation. Here I have defined the class address. It has three properties: city, state and country. It has address constructor which accept city, state and country. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties: name and address. In address property, I have applied at auto-void annotation and at qualifier annotation. And in at qualifier annotation, I have mentioned bean name as Bangalore address. So Bangalore address bean will be injected to employee by the Spring container. And it has employee constructor which accept name, and it has display employee details method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates Chennai address object, Bangalore address object and employee object. In employee address property, we have applied at auto-void annotation and at qualifier annotation, and qualifier is Bangalore address. So this object will be injected to address. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and calling display employee details method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object. Name is set as Peter, and address object is injected to employee, and address is Bangalore address.